neighbor by the hand and look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, faith without works is dead. And 2025 is the year of elevation with participation. Now grab your other neighbor and look at that neighbor and say, neighbor, I'm getting ready to work my faith. I'm getting ready to work this business idea. I'm getting ready to work this faith. I'm getting ready to work this gift. Look at the neighbor in front of you and say, work, 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 work. Look at the neighbor behind you. Oh, and say, work, 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 work. And while I'm working, God is working it out. He's working it, working it, working it out.